Friends, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if your Android or your Samsung Galaxy phone is fully secured and up to date. So what you want to do, just do a swipe up and go to your settings. Then you want to scroll down to where you have security and privacy. Tap on that. Now from here, your phone will do a quick scan to see if everything is okay. And as you can see here, my lock screen, my account security, and my last device protection is fine. However, the app security and the updates, there's something wrong there. So all you have to do, you want to ensure that, for example, my app protection is turned on. So I just need to come here and turn this on, then click on turn on. Then once I go back, you will see that this one is checked. And for the last one is basically about my update. So if I come here, it is telling me that there is a new update on my phone that I need to do. So in order to solve this, all I have to do now is just simple go here and tap on this, and I will see the new update that I need to do. Just simple click on install. Once this is completed, my phone will now be full updated. And once I go back here afterwards after my phone get updated and install, then all four will be checked. And this should always be the goal, to ensure that your phone is fully secure. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.